Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Gonna do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2015 Bobcat E20 that we got and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, get close to everything, talk about features and functions. Then we'll do an operational video showing it starting up, moving forward, backwards, the boom and the stick up and down, in and out, bucket in and out, the blade up and down, show the tracks expanding and retracting. As always, if you are in the market for a machine, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're putting up videos on all of our machines as they come in. All right, like I said, this one's a 2015 E20. OROPS, of course, front auxiliary hydraulics, front blade, 2-speed, 20-inch digging bucket, Kubota Diesel engine, Expandable Tracks. This one does have the blade extensions. We'll get up close and look at everything here. The bucket's in pretty good shape. It's a 20-inch digging bucket, like I said. The pins on this one, there's a little bit of play, but they're not awful. There is a little play, but again, better than some. We've had way worse here. As you can see, some of the paint is peeling off, so it's got some surface rust underneath where that paint has flaked off. No cracks or welds or patches that I can see on the boom or the stick. Again, same thing here, gray paint. It has peeled off some. Same thing down here on the tracks. The tracks on this one are, I'm gonna say tread life on these are probably 25 to 30%. I think I'm being pretty fair there. They might be just a little better than that even. Sprockets are good. There's definitely a lot of life left in the sprockets. Same thing back here. See some of the paint flaking off. Fairly straight sheet metal though. Same thing over here. Tracks are in pretty good shape. The rails, the paint has flaked off pretty good. Sprockets are good on this side as well. No cracks or welds or patching on this blade. Same thing over here, this side of the boom and the stick. I don't see any patches or welds. Get a good look at the front side of the blade. We'll go back here and take a look inside the engine compartment. All right, as you can see, try to get up close here. Looks pretty dry in here. I don't see a bunch of oil or diesel running down on the block. That door's nice and straight. Just a little paint peeling. Take a look at the operator station. The rubber mat seems to be in decent shape. Both pedals are in good shape. Both sticks are in good shape here. The seat is in good shape. No cuts or tears on the seat. Both armrests are present and in good shape. Same thing with your control levers. Both are present and in good shape. It does have the pattern changer down here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2015 E20 with 1,607 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.